This video is on the topic of antibiotics. Antibiotics are medicinal drugs that are used in the treatment of bacterial infections. They work by inhibiting certain cell processes within bacterial cells. Antibiotics are only effective against bacterial infection and will not work against other pathogens such as viruses. Bacteria can become resistant to antibiotics, which means that the antibiotic is no longer effective at killing the bacteria. The words related with this topic, such as antibody and antigen, are easy to confuse with the term antibiotic, so do make sure that you know the meaning of each of these. Some bacteria can develop resistance to antibiotics. The overuse of antibiotics over the decades has led to antibiotic resistance developing in certain strains of bacteria. This means that particular antibiotics are no longer effective against some types of bacteria. One common example is a strain of Staphylococcus aureus bacteria, which are now resistant to an antibiotic called methicillin, shortened to MRSA. Antibiotic resistance is an example of natural selection, as resistance develops in certain individuals from a random mutation within the bacteria population. These individuals survive antibiotic treatment and so pass on their resistance alleles to future generations of bacteria, as shown in the animation here. The remaining population is killed by the antibiotics. Here we can see an exam-style question which asks you to explain why a viral infection is not treatable with antibiotics for 3 marks. Our first marking point needs to address that antibiotics are not effective against viruses, or you could say that they are only effective against bacteria for the same marking point. Secondly, we can explain why by describing the effect antibiotics have on bacteria. And finally, we can explain further that viruses replicate inside of the host cells, or that antibiotics are unable to reach the virus. Be careful not to say that viruses live inside cells, as viruses are not classified as living organisms. For those of you studying the extended content syllabus, we can see another exam-style question which asks you to explain how a population of antibiotic-resistant bacteria develop from non-resistant bacteria for 3 marks. Our first marking point needs to address how the first bacterial cells become resistant, which is through mutation in their DNA and results in genetic variation within the population. Secondly, we can say that these individuals will be more likely to survive or that they are not killed by the antibiotics. And finally, we can state that these bacteria will therefore pass on their resistant alleles to the next generation. It is important that you do not say that bacteria get used to antibiotics or adapt to them. This is a common misconception. Bacteria also do not become immune, so do make sure that you learn the correct terminology for this topic. In summary, antibiotics are drugs that kill bacteria but not viruses or fungi. They work by inhibiting certain cell processes in the bacterial cells. For those of you studying the extended syllabus, you also need to know that bacteria can develop resistance to antibiotics, which means that the antibiotics are no longer effective at killing the bacteria. This is caused by random mutations within bacterial populations. Don't forget to check out all our other fantastic revision resources here at Save My Exams.